terms of going to go onto the ring, try to go to the outside? Is it easier to prepare for somebody like that?
Well, I mean, it may be easier to know what to expect from him, but Kevin Owens does what he does so well. Even if you're prepared, even if you're expected, he gets the upper hand.
Owens extremely brash, extremely confident. But Dean Ambrose unleashing on the Intercontinental Champion.
Well, look at here.
Big clothesline sends Owens down hard to the outside.
Dean Ambrose got to get out when all else fails. You just want to stand and trade, man. Just throw that right hand. Oh!
Leading Dean Ambrose to get Kevin Owens back in the ring. He said, okay, all right, here he comes. Ambrose, he may not like it back in there, but here he comes.
What about going up to the top? Hold on, Owens. Taking advantage using the top rope as a weapon. What you know? Owens returning the favor. Oh, look out, look out.
I think he just said I can throw you in a wall better than you throw me in a wall.
Owens out to prove that he is better than everyone else.
Told you guys it was going to be a fight tonight on SmackDown.
And it is.
Ambrose struggling to get back to his feet. Referee up to the 6 count. Ambrose back into the ring, and there's Owens to greet him.
That was Kevin Owens didn't make a move to go out of the ring. He's just going to let the ref just count him out. That's a prize fighter, guys. No wasted motion.
Short arm clothesline, and to the senton, devastating maneuver.
That could be a broken rib right there, guys.
Cover, Owens for the win. Ambrose kicks out.
Man.
Owens enjoys dishing out punishment.
Say who's crazy now?
Yeah, I think he did. Let's take another look at this.
Well, this may,
Look at that.
that may knock some of the craziness out of Ambrose.
Ambrose trying to get back to his feet again.
I think that's what Kevin Owens was banking on, that Dean Ambrose will be a little more sane after a few of those splashes.
Down Ambrose, caught by Owens. Driving the knee right into the midsection cover. And again a kick out. Ambrose could have a couple of broken ribs.
That goes to what you were talking about earlier, Booker. This Kevin Owens has got quite an arsenal, doesn't he?
Well, he has a toolbox, and he can go in that toolbox and pull out anything he wants. He's that good.
Hey, Jerry! Take a good look at this!
Talking to you, Jerry.
I heard him. What's he want me to look at?
Hold on. Owens going to the top. And Ambrose taking advantage.
I'm watching it. I'm enjoying what I'm seeing.
That means you don't want to sleep on Dean Ambrose for a second.
I want to take a good look at this, like you said. Oh, wait a minute now. Kevin Owens. Oh!
Don't blink, King.
I'm watching. Believe me, I'm watching.
Ambrose setting up Kevin Owens.
Oh! Suplex! I like it. I like what I'm seeing.
Owens was in full control.
Check this out right here, guys.
Wow, man. Ooh, look at that impact.
Why they call him the lunatic fringe. He'll do anything to win.
Here comes Ambrose.
Oh, that didn't work.
Trying for that running bulldog. For the victory!
Wow! Oh, close. Man! Yeah, Kevin Owens surprised there. That was impressive to kick out. I thought Dean Ambrose had him.
I like this kid, Dean Ambrose. It's all about the pride in the WWE Universe. Look at him.
Ambrose lining up Owens. Cover. Puts the leg. Oh. Intercontinental Champion Kevin Owens able to kick out at 2.
You gotta believe that Dean Ambrose victory here tonight after Ambrose pinning Kevin Owens on Raw, then man, he'd be right in line for that Intercontinental title shot, wouldn't he?
Oh, definitely he'll be in line for it.
Owens catching Ambrose. Drops him. Cover. Boom. And Ambrose able to stay alive.
I'm talking about this kid right here. You don't know when he's gonna pull out, but it's gonna be sweet every time.
Think of the damage that Owens has done to the ribs of Dean Ambrose throughout this matchup.
Yeah,
And further adding to it here.
I guarantee you this is painful. Every ounce of Kevin Owens' weight coming down on the rib cage of Dean
But
Ambrose.
it's no quitting this kid, Dean Ambrose. Not 1 ounce of quitting his body.
And Kevin Owens is determined to make him quit. Kevin Owens is a little cocky, a little arrogant there.
Ambrose answered back. Here he comes. Oh, missile drop kick. Yes, sir.
And he got all of it.
That's twice that Owens had Ambrose up, and his trash talking cost him. This match has been back and forth as both these competitors struggling to get back to their feet.
Here we go. Chop, jab, chop, jab.
Oh, no.
Wow. Big hot shot right there.
Hold on, Owens. Owens setting up for the pop-up powerbomb. No. Instead of super kick.
Oh, no. Good crossfire on the rebound right there by the lunatic.
Brand. Both these guys are shooting their best shots. Who's gonna prevail?
Owens may be injured.
Whoa.
Did you see the
I didn't see him, but I don't believe it did happen.
Referee was caught out of place right there. He didn't even see it.
What? What? Come on! Boo!
Your winner by disqualification, Kevin Owens.
Oh, come on! That was a gay ending. Not a good ending. That was super gay.
Let's take a look. Let's see the replay here. See if we can tell.
I gotta say that,
Kevin, tough to tell from that angle. Let's take one more look.
I don't know if there was tough to tell or not. Hey, look.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on, Owens!
That was not low.
That was clean.
it was a clean shot. Gotta tell you, Kevin Owens was in trouble.
Hey, look, the officials, I think the official is saying that was not a low.
Oh, yeah, baby! Oh, shit!
And who can blame him? He was robbed.
No kidding.
Oh!
Kevin Owens trying to get out of Dodge.
Ambrose again.
Woo!
Won't be the first prize fighter to try to pull that thing.
I think the official realized that a mistake was made. Kevin Owens, I don't think he wants any more of Dean Ambrose.
He's walking fine now, isn't he?
Wow.
But still, that was not enough.
Sending the Intercontinental Champion Kevin Owens on the run. What a main event this week here on SmackDown.
Dean Ambrose not happy about it, but that was one heck of a
What a gay ending to that match, though.